Not all hot springs are the same. Japan officially classifies onsen by their minerals, and each type feels different on your skin. Here are 7 you should know. Number 1, the simple spring. Mild, gentle, and the most common type in Japan. Low mineral content makes it perfect for beginners, children, and sensitive skin. Number 2, the Chloride Spring. Salty like the sea. The salt coats your skin and locks in heat. Locals call it the warming bath for cold winter nights. Number 3, the Bicarbonate Spring, known as the beauty bath. It gently softens and smooths your skin, leaving it silky, like a natural cleanser you soak in. Number 4, the Sulfur Spring. You'll smell it before you see it, like boiled eggs. The milky white water is iconic and famous for soothing the skin. Number 5, the Iron Spring. The water turns rusty red-brown when it touches air. It's said to warm you deeply, traditionally loved as the women's bath. Number 6, the Acidic Spring. Sharp and stimulating, with natural cleansing power. Kusatsu is the famous one. Rinse off after bathing if your skin is sensitive. And number 7, the Carbonated Spring. Tiny champagne-like bubbles cling to your skin in cooler water. Gentle on the heart, and honestly, it just feels amazing. 7 types, 7 completely different experiences. Which one would you try first? Tell me in the comments. And next time, I'll show you how to pick your first onsen town. See you there.